So some people say that this stuff doesn't work on modern coated leather. It's a waste of money, waste of time. And some people say that this stuff is liquid gold. It kind of looks like it's from the 1950s, but as long as it doesn't make my seats look like from the 1950s, should be good. Let me show you guys the condition that my leather's in. All the before shots is going to be in the exact same lighting. It looks a lot worse in person. On camera actually looks pretty new. Heavy wrinkling right here. You can actually feel it. Look at all that right there. It looks like all scratched up. Let's take a look at the passenger side. This is Christy's side. Holy crap. Look at all this right here. It's like spider webs. Okay, come here. You want to explain?
It was me.
It was you?
Yes.
At least she takes ownership. I'm just joking, guys. Well, either way, these seats should be looking brand new after this. Step number one is you want to vacuum your seats. Armor All makes some trash detailing products. This vacuum isn't one of them. And also, I asked the guys at AutoZone if this will work with Lexus vehicles. That vacuum, it works on Lexus vehicles, right? Eddie GS 350, watch you out for my subscribers. You get a bunch of attachments for cars, but this one is perfect for all the little nooks, crevices. I'm damn full. It's blowing out instead of blowing. Step number two, apply the leather rejuvenator oil. For Leatherique, it's actually a little bit backwards. You rejuvenate before you clean. The other thing too is I'm gonna use my hands because you can get a good feeling how the product's being worked in with the leather. So pro tip, use your hands. If you haven't watched the hidden features video, you can actually move your headrest, see? If you haven't watched that video, go check it out. I don't know how well it's being picked up on camera, but I am sweating. Do you see the sweat on me?
Yeah, it's dripping from your cheek.
Yeah. All right, almost done with this
Oh,
seat.
it's right there.
No, I was gonna get all my seat and ruin my seats.
24 hours later.
It's nice and toasty. Let's see how the car's doing. See this area kind of dried up, so I'm gonna add some more oil there. So you wanna leave your seats oiled up for at least 24 hours, depending on how hot it is. I'm gonna do 24 hours because it was super hot. So I'm a damn fool. Tell Christy we're gonna hang out today, and I can't even drive my car. Christy's pulling up. She's gonna pick me up like a bum. She's in here. You ready to see the seats? I'm done. This is what they look like. What do you think?
You finished everything?
Yeah. It looks good?
You finished?
Yeah, I finished. I'm just joking. I still need to clean out the seats. This is what the seats look like after baking in the sun. So they're all, get out. They're all oiled out. Stupid ass bug. After this, it should look brand new. On to step 3. How am I supposed to do it?
You're like 3.
3? Nah. Supposedly it's like a TikTok or a meme where girls check their boyfriends, see how like they do the 3.
If you ask a boy, male, how to do the number 3, they would not do this. They would either do this or do it this. Show me number 3 fingers.
So FYI for you guys, watch out. You gotta use a spray bottle for this step. Go ahead and pour this in. It's like not even halfway, but it should be good. They do give you guys cleaning supplies. The thing I did notice is the one that it comes with, it is super rough. There's no way I'm gonna use this stuff on my seats, like scratch them or something. I have this one that's way softer. Pro tip, I'm gonna go ahead and put some of this product on here, and I'm gonna let this seat sit for a little while, and afterwards I will wipe it off with a wet towel. Damn, look at this, nasty. So I'm gonna yank this off, get that thing out. I'm not gonna use a bucket. I'm just gonna wipe my seats down whenever I need to. Oh shit, come here and rinse this. Rinse this guy off. Yeah, it's like all that dirt. So let's see how dark this towel gets once I'm done with this. Oh shit. This is what the towel looks like. Just wash this, rinse this out. Oh, that's nasty.
1 hour later.
This is the driver's side. So you can see there's still a little bit of wrinkling, but it is definitely much better. But honestly, I think the passenger side improved way more. So let's check that out. This looks almost brand new. There's like a little bit of wrinkling still there. Look at this right here. Also, the leather feels way softer. Obviously with the product like this, you can't expect perfection, but I'm honestly surprised. This works way better than I thought. Feel the leather? How does it feel like?
It feels like a baby's butt.
For a product in a bottle that restores your seats, it's not gonna get any better than this. I don't think any leather cleaner would get rid of wrinkles the way this product did. If you guys wanna cop this product, description is gonna be in, no, the link is gonna be in the description. I do get a small kickback, but it is honestly not that much. And I don't want you guys to think that this channel is gonna become like some big commercial for all these products. Because one, if you find it cheaper somewhere else, just get it somewhere else. And two, is this product is not gonna make your seats look brand new. I'm not gonna BS you guys and tell you that this product is gonna grow arms and massage your shoulders or something like that. So it's not gonna do that. There's no Mickey Mouse on the Eddie GS350 channel. If a product doesn't work out, if something doesn't go right, I'm gonna be honest with you guys, let you guys know. So hit that subscribe button. After putting in all this hard work, well, it's not really hard work. You gotta enjoy your car, right? Where you wanna go?
Boba.
All right, let's go get boba. Use this car what it was meant to be used for. I also want to say thank you to Christy, because she's the one who got me the Leatherique for Christmas. She's just mad that I barely opened it, but you can only use it when it's hot. You already know what this channel is about. Enjoying your Lexus to the fullest, even if it is just cruising around, getting some boba. And if you made it to the end of the video, I always appreciate it, guys. Thank you. Comment down below what your guys' favorite boba drink is. One, I know the Lexus crew loves to drink boba, and two, I want to hear it because I want to try it. All right, guys, peace. Thank you.